In this video, I'll show you how to adjust margins in Google Docs. If you want to change how close your text sits to the edges of the page, Google Docs gives you two main ways to do it on a computer. You can change the page margins from page setup, or you can drag the margin markers on the ruler for a selected section. Google also notes that page margin settings are only available when your document is in Pages format, not pageless. Let's start with the main method. Open your document in Google Docs, click File, then choose Page Setup. At the top of the dialog box, make sure Pages is selected. Then look for the Margins section, where you can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Enter the values you want, click OK, and your document will update right away. Google also says you can click Set as Default if you want future new documents to use those same margin settings. Now let's look at the ruler method. If you want to quickly adjust the left or right margin for selected content, highlight the section of text, graphics, or images you want to change. Then go to the top ruler and drag the triangle markers to the position you want. Google says this is a quick way to move margins for a section without opening Page Setup every time. There is one important detail here. If your document has multiple sections, Google says you can go back to File, then Page Setup, and choose which section to apply the margin changes to. That is useful when one part of the document needs a different layout from the rest, like a title page, appendix, or wide content section. If you do not see margin options, check whether your document is set to pageless. Google explains that margin controls are not available in pageless documents. To fix that, go to File, then Page Setup, and switch the format from pageless to Pages. After that, the normal margin settings will be available again. So the full process is simple. Open your document, go to File, choose Page Setup, make sure Pages is selected, adjust the margins you want, and click OK. Or, for quick changes, select your content and drag the margin markers on the ruler. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.